Kung ang edad mo ay 25 to 40 years old at naghahanap ka ng one-time investment, pwede ka magsimula sa Kaiser. Ito yung tinatawag namin na tatlo na, yung meron ka, 3-in-1. Meron ka ditong investment, healthcare at life insurance. And of course, tinatawag na level 1 investing. Pwede mo itong i-avail online or offline. And mag-sample tayo dito, yung plan K50 sa Kaiser na spot cash or one-time payment na ang investment natin nasa total 184,600. And sa total investment natin na 184,000, ang value nito or projection nito after 20 years ay nasa 657,103. And kapag hindi pa natin to kinuha after maturity or after 20 years, patuloy pa rin ito nagko-compound sa investment at may healthcare pa rin tayo. And na projection nito after 25 years, nasa 1,058,271. After 30 years, nasa 1.7 million. To know more about Kaiser, message mo lang ako sa FB, Roan Celis Capistrano.